Hello, in this video we're gonna check if a Huawei Nova Y70 has a SD dual SIM slot. So in order to check that, first we'll need to locate the SIM slot, and on this phone it's located on the left side at the top right here. Now take the needle from the box, place it inside that gap right here, and use a bit of the force to open the slot, like this.
I'm Celia, your smart assistant.
Now let's take out the slot and see how many SIM cards we can fit here. And the first one is obviously right here. And the other can be placed right here, so that confirms this device has a dual SIM slot, but you will need to sacrifice your SD card to place the SIM card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.